Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see the demo for My Health PHP web application. Now let's see how to start the project. First open the XAMPP control panel. Start the MySQL database and Apache web server. Next open the Visual Studio Code. Here you can explore your project folder. Click the readme text. Here you can see the project URLs and then login details. Copy the localhost PHP myadmin and paste to the browser. Left side you can able to see the backend database. Here you can click the TB name and then you can view the backend database tables. And then click the table name, you can view the data. For example, if you want to see the user details, click the user table, you can see the user details. For Windows user, open the XAMPP control panel, start the Apache and MySQL, then click the MySQL admin button. It will promote you to the web browser, then you can able to see the backend database tables. So next open the Visual Studio Code. You can explore the web folder. So you can see the project delivery files. Explore the JS folder. Here you can see the Angular JS files. Click the file name, you can view the source code. And then click the HTML file, you can view the HTML source code. And then copy the project URL and paste to the browser. So this is the project homepage. Here we have two roles, user and admin. Let's start with the admin. Enter the admin email ID and password. So login successful. Here we have two models. Let's start with a create advice. Here you can post your advice. You can select the type and then enter the range, description, resources. Once you do that, click the submit button, it will be created. Whatever you have been created, you can view the update advice. Here you can using the search options. Here you can search any field wise like type or name wise. So if you want to update anything, you can do it here. Next move to the user. Before you log in the user, you have to register. So here you can enter all the field for user registration. Enter the name, email ID, password, mobile number, address. Once you do that, click the register button. The password must be in 8 digits. It must contain one capital letter, one special character and then numbers. So registered successfully. Then log in the user. So here we have several models. Let's start with My Health. Here you can see the health details. Click the advice. You can view the advices. You can filter the data like range wise. And then click the goal. Here you can see the current goal. If you want to update anything, you can do it here. and then click the update. Here you can update the range, and then click the history. Here you can see the your health history details. Next, click the appointment. Here you can add the appointment details. Enter the doctor name, hospital, and then enter the date and time. Once you do that, click the submit button. It will be added. Whatever you have been added, you can view here. And then click the add drug. You can add the drug details. Here you can enter the name, time, purpose, and usage. Once you do that, click the submit button. So once you do that, it will be added. What are the drug details you can be added? You can view drug. And then click the my profile. You can see the user profile details. If you want to update anything, you can do it here. So this is a My Health PHP web application.
Code shopping.